How I hate publicity. But it's all part of the game, right?
Right, so.
The Forellis are gonna try and take me out, aren't they?
Don't worry, I'm gonna be riding shotgun.
Oh well, here goes everything.
Let's see what you got, tough guy.
Shit, this is ridiculous!
Don't panic, I'll deal with these assholes.
There's a rifle in the trunk.
Lock the doors, this won't take long. Okay, we're good to go.
There's another hitman after us!
Fortunate turn of events.
I can't fight an election as a virtual recluse! We'll have to think about using different tactics.
My last relationship ended.
Bad news, Tony!
What?
The exit polls are neck and neck. Time for plan B. We steal some of the uncounted votes and we replace them with some of our own.
What was that you said about vote rigging?
Oh, shut up.
Just let me get my drugs.
You're holding up the march of progress.
Crime's a real problem in this town.
I better get that back in good condition. Hey, watch the rosette.
One of us is gonna regret this.
Many dreams that can never be realized. Wow.
Cliff, what are you doing?
I'm just adjusting something under the console here. Sorry.
That
that's a great pop record.
Why do you hate boy bands so much, Cliff?
A boy band? Who wants a boy band? Get 5 young, nubile adolescent girls so tight, fit, new, and get them foaming each other at a car wash in the video, and tell me that's...
Pushing. This is so old economy.
What seems to be the problem here?
Get ready for Cool Timers. It's on now. This is Tonight on Lips 106.
ಕಲ್ಲೂರಿದಾಗಲಿ ಬಳ್ಳಿ ಹೂವಾಗಲಿ ಸಂಗೀತವನ್ನು ಕೇಳುತ್ತಾ
Move! I'm late for a meeting.
Don't make me faint.
I just had this thing detailed. Excuse me.
Flashback FM. The music of today is terrible. In my day, when 5 sissies get together, at least a couple of them could play guitar. They were up for a go. You know, democracy kills the music. They should die.
Insurance money, come to Papa.
From here to eternity, sit back, relax. This is Remy. Keep it on flashback.
Oh, my hip.
You took your time, Tony.
You say jump, I say screw you.
Cute. Now listen. The Yardies have their greedy eyes on Forelli turf in Newport. Get over there and lure the Forelli soldiers down to the hospital in Rockford. The Yardies will be waiting for them.
What's in this for you?
I owe them. Catch you later.
Well, excuse me. I guess I can do it myself, right?
I got all your home defense needs.
Come on, let's take it to him. You should act real cool. Don't mess, man.
Balls.
Probably never even played an instrument. Blowing up his tune.
Why don't you just go sit on the Liberty Tree with Colin? It's terrible. You have a room with the wrong kind of herpes. I've got both kinds. It's very amusing.
I don't know what I did wrong in my past life to deserve you. Ray, you're 40 years old and you have no idea what's really going on. I don't know how you've gotten this far. I don't know how somebody hasn't put a bullet in your Mother Teresa head yet.
Hey, watch your mouth, Leon. I can't believe we're having this fucking conversation.
What, are you gonna run to mommy? Are you gonna jump on daddy's knee? Ask for a wet kiss? Hey, Tony!
Freeze!
Whoa, whoa! Easy. Meet my new partner, Mr. Hip. He's gonna make sure I do everything by the book. Tony Cipriani, Ray Machowski. He's with us. Hey, we're gonna go fight organized crime now. You run along to the precinct, fill out a report. You're a good kid. Let's go, Tony.
Piece of shit, Leon.
I know it's a cliche. Rock God wants to save the world. Being right, listen. I can have sex for 5 minutes. Fantastic swallow to come. It's incredible. But really, I'm bang into this tantric sex life. I met some really important tribal chief down in Zimbabwe. They initiated me into the tribe by butchering an endangered lion and killing a neighbouring tribe. Man, it was beautiful. That's the power of rock and roll, the way Crow does it. We're all one, love. Crowfest 98 for a good cause.
Great. So you heard it from me. Horse's mouth, people.
Crow's mouth. It's crow, not horse.
Shut.
What?
Is here. Passmaster is a unique mix of action and education. It's edutainment. Kids play history and play it to win in a strategy and planning game based on real-world events using real artificial intelligence.
Yeah?
Tony, Sal here. Get over to Belleville and find the public phone booth. I got something urgent needs doing.
Cipriani, we must stop meeting like this.
Fine by me.
Come on, lighten up a little.
What you got for me, McCaffrey?
Those Yardie boys are having a little trouble holding on to their newly acquired turf in Newport. Seems now the Sindacos want it back.
Come on, pal. I don't want to start.
80 ethnically diverse backup singers. A blinding laser light show. Coming to Liberty City Memorial Stadium. It's an 82-minute celebration of America. From Britain, Crow.
Are you ready for some Crow, Lemisi?
It's Crowfest 98. You'll hear songs such as Cloud in Kenya, Rainforest Night Blues, Move Over the Manatee, and Tantric Boogie. Crowfest.
Off with the Andes, ladies. Crow's in town.
Love.
Get the hell out of the way.
Me boy Rudyard got himself capped. I'll get the ambulance. You go help my boys. Take on this.
I'm gonna give you a pop piece by piece. You wanna dance? Let's get out here! I'm gonna rip your fucking head off.
Bing, bada, boom. Here come the ambulance!
Don't miss Swap Meet, the highest paid show on television, as these 5 crazy buddies with great haircuts in $1 million apartment try to make sense of the struggles of the big city. And Lorraine's got a big surprise.
Hey guys, I'm pregnant.
The city continues to be rocked by gang warfare as the power struggle between the Sindaco and Forelli mafia families continues unabated. Both have been reported to have lost ground recently to emerging gangs.